Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can earn nearly $1.5 per minute just by clicking on links. Well, by clicking on links, I mean by clicking on the short links. And this website is actually the best short links website from where you can earn money. Well, a lot of you people may already have went and tried a lot of other short links, but just imagine each and every one of the short links has a minimum $5 withdrawal, right? So no matter how hard you try, you won't be able to reach the minimum withdrawal amount. But just imagine if there is a site where all the short links are being integrated together, and with that you can just complete all the short links and you can earn the money. So if you just do that, you will be able to earn a lot more, right? Like you can earn nearly 150% more than the single website. So the single website which has everything integrated is going to be aeonfaucet.me. I will leave this website's link in the description in the first comment. Well, obviously the link which I give below is going to be my referral link. So if you just make an account using my referral link, you would receive a dollar bonus. So make sure to make an account using my referral link. Now just see, the minimum withdrawal is $5 and I have a balance of 2 and 2. Well, it's fine. You may be wondering how I earned this 2 and 2 dollars. It was because of my referrals. I actually invited 77 people, and I would be honest with you, if you guys join, then I would earn nearly 10% of your lifetime earnings. So let's say you earn 837, I would have received the 10% of 837 tokens. So just see, someone has earned 4,000, 2,000. So this is how I made $212. So now if we're just going to move back to the short links, well, in the short links wall, from the short links available here, you can earn a lot of bonus. Just remember, at the beginning, if you're just making an account, your rewards may be less. As your level increases, you would get an additional bonus. With additional bonus, you can get up to 100% bonus. So you can literally double your income if you increase your level. Now I'm going to show you guys how we can solve short links by clicking on this. I'm going to show you guys what will happen when you try to solve a short link. Well, first of all, we just click on the link, we are getting redirected to a third-party site. Well, there are a lot of short links wall integrated. All of the short links wall are actually pretty good and they pay you really. So I just need to verify myself that I am a human, and I would need to click on this check link. And now I got the option to get move to the destination page. That's it. It didn't even take me a minute, and I already have a token credited to my account. And if I have something else to say to you guys, that is, each time we complete something, we complete short link, we would get something known as energy. This energy can be used in the auto faucet, where if you earn enough energy, I guess it's 30 right now. If you earn the required amount of energy, then you can earn a huge amount of money. Let's say for completing all the short links per day, you get 2 additional bonuses. One is going to be the auto faucet, in which you can actually earn $1, I guess. And the second thing is going to be the achievements. If you just complete 5 short links, you would get $0.5 bonus. If you complete 15 short links, you get $2 bonus. So this is how it works. So make sure to complete a lot of short links and earn more. So guys, I hope today's video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button if you subscribe button if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.